My name is Aaron Corrigan. I'm a realtor with Dash Carolina, serving Raleigh, Sanford, and the Fayetteville area. Want to learn more about Sanford? Then follow along with me in this video today. Sanford is quickly becoming a mainstay city and commerce is moving in. If you're thinking, wasn't this just an empty field? You're probably right. New housing developments are taking over. Word on the street is there's a Target rolling in, and no one else may be talking about it. Or everyone else is because it's a small town. The riverbirch development. Sanford City Council has proposed the partnership with CASTO Development Company. This is a $64 million investment into the sleepy town of Sanford, bringing more consumers, attracting local businesses, and creating more job opportunities. This is from sanfordnc.net. This partnership would give Sanford City Council the rare opportunity to enhance the city's tax base, spur quality retail, and remove blight from a core area. Rather than the property continuing to degrade, the redevelopment project could jumpstart revitalization for the corridor and northern parts of the city. With Target in place, other higher-end retail will follow, creating a premium retail experience and keeping Sanford's dollars in Sanford. The council already held a hearing on September 16, 2025, to give the chance for the people of the community to speak up. How do you feel about the new Target and grocery stores? More than 12,000 new homes are being planned by Centerpoint Investments. There's a 140-acre master plan community called Ashby Village. Planned are 700 residential units, 32 acres, for more than 125,000 square foot, suitable for retailers, restaurants, and medical offices in Ashby Village. Ashby Village will be connected to the 130-acre Lee County Athletic Park, consisting of athletic fields, a playground, and walking trails, and the expected home of the Sanford Spinners minor league baseball team. Sanford is attracting builders and military clients with its ease of daily driving and small town feel, letting people settle down and get that front porch coffee feeling without compromising amenities and updated convenience through Walmart, Lowe's, and all of the food that you can eat. National level and local builders are seizing the opportunity to set their communities in the once small country town. These would include D.R. Horton, Lennar, DRB Homes, Taylor Morrison, Ryan Homes, Smith Douglas. Some locals builders would include T.L. Stewart, Weaver, McKee, Beezer. It's hard to beat the concessions and money that builders are able to give you in these communities. But some of you don't know that you are required to use their lender and attorney. That's right. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but if you do have a favorite lender, they may have to stretch a little bit to get approval and to match what the builder can give you in their own community. If new construction isn't your thing, then check out the areas of Carolina Trace, Carolina Lakes, Tramway, Downtown, the Carbonton area. If you'd like to check out these areas, I'd love to show you around. If you're thinking of buying or selling, give me a ring. I'd be glad to set up a time to see the slow-paced city growing onto its own. What would you like to see in Sanford? Is there any new restaurant, grocery store, department store that you wish we had here? How about amusement parks? How about fun things to do? For this once sleepy town is starting to become a giant. What attracted me and my wife was the sleepy downtown, for we knew we'd found a town where we could slow down and not have to rush around in traffic. Not sitting in traffic like Charleston, South Carolina, where we had to stay in the heat and the AC, hoping your AC is working, while sitting in traffic for 15 to 30 minutes to get anywhere. This was a major change for us, and I can see why this is slowly becoming a very popular area. For military clients PCSing here or getting their orders for first-time homebuyers, for those that are retiring, and even for those who are younger and looking to get away from the city. If this video gave some information and you want to follow me, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more. Thank you.